My family. My name is Ayan. I live with my family. We are 5 people in my family. We all love each other very much. We care for each other and help each other. My father's name is Mr. Ahmed. He is a teacher. He works very hard. He loves his job and enjoys teaching. My father is very kind. He loves the simple life. He enjoys the peace of living in a small town. He says that people in villages are kinder than people in big cities. We admire his way of living. He always tells us that we should live a simple and happy life. My mother's name is Mrs. Sarah. She is a doctor. She helps people feel better when they are sick. My mother is very kind and caring. She always takes care of our family. She is the strongest person in our home. When we are sad or sick, she always makes us feel better. We love her very much because she is always there for us. I have one sister. Her name is Hira. She is an amazing dentist. She helps people take care of their teeth. She works very hard. Hira loves helping others, and she enjoys her work. She is a great sister and always gives good advice. I also have a younger brother. His name is Bilal. He is in 6th grade and loves reading books. He enjoys learning new things every day. He is very smart and loves to read about history and animals. On weekends, our family goes to the park. We play many fun games there. My father and mother join us. We enjoy spending time together. It is a special time when we can all be happy together. After playing in the park, we like to eat food at a restaurant. We go to a restaurant that makes tasty biryani. We enjoy the biryani because it is not too spicy. The restaurant uses just a little chili in their food. My father is our hero. We look up to him in everything. He teaches us many good things. He always says that the best things in life are simple and natural. He teaches us how to love each other and live in peace. We try to follow his advice every day. At home, we spend time together. My brother, sister, and I play with toys. We share our toys and enjoy each other's company. We always try to help our mother with housework. My father also helps my mother in the kitchen. He is a great cook. He makes the most delicious food. We all love his cooking. After dinner, I sometimes wash the dishes. My parents also help clean the house. Once everything is clean, we sit together in the living room. It is the best part of our day. We talk, share stories, and relax. We enjoy being together and sharing our feelings. My father always helps me with my homework. If I don't understand something, he explains it to me. He is patient and makes everything clear. My mother also helps me when I need advice. My sister Hira is very smart, and she teaches us many things. When we feel sad or tired, my mother listens to us and makes us feel better. These little things make our family strong. We understand each other and always support each other. We love each other very much, and this makes our bond very strong. We also visit our grandparents. They live in a small house near us. We enjoy spending time with them. They tell us many interesting stories about their lives. We learn a lot from our grandparents. They have a lot of wisdom. They always give us good advice and love us very much. My aunt and uncle live in the village. They have a big house there. They grow vegetables and wheat in their farm. Their farm is very beautiful. They live a simple and healthy life. They say that living in the village makes people strong. The fresh air and good food keep them healthy. Before going to the next page, I have a question for you. Are village people stronger than city people? Answer in the comments section. My aunt is a great cook. She makes food from the fresh vegetables grown on their farm. The food is very healthy and tastes amazing. She always says that simple food is the best. It is good for the body and mind. We love visiting their house because the food is so delicious. Although we live in the city, we try to follow a simple routine like my aunt and uncle. Our father wakes up early in the morning. He wakes everyone up for prayers. After prayers, my mother makes tea and breakfast for us. We all eat breakfast together. Then we get ready for school. In the afternoon, we come back from school. My mother makes lunch for us. We eat lunch together. After lunch, my younger brother and sister take a nap. I finish my homework. My father helps us with our studies. He checks our homework and teaches us new things. He makes sure we are learning well. He always encourages us to work hard and do our best. In the evening, we go outside to play. We play games in the park near our house. Sometimes my father joins us, and it's a lot of fun. We enjoy playing and laughing together. After playing, we return home. My parents start cooking dinner. They work together in the kitchen to make the meal. My father is really good at cooking, and we love the food he makes. After dinner, we clean the kitchen together. We all help to keep the house clean. Then we gather in the living room and relax. We talk about our day, share our stories, and enjoy being together. It is the best time of the day for all of us. Before going to bed, we say our prayers. We thank God for everything we have. After saying our prayers, we go to sleep. We sleep peacefully and wake up the next day, ready to start a new day together. On holidays, we spend more time with our family. We visit our relatives and friends. Sometimes we go to the village to visit our aunt and uncle. It is always a fun and peaceful time. We enjoy walking around the farm, playing with the animals, and eating delicious food. We are very grateful for everything we have. Our family is the most important thing in our life. We love and support each other, and this is what makes our life beautiful.